Welcome to a walkthrough of an organic top dressing service, one of our premier services offered to our organic lawn care clients. After arriving at your property, lead technician John fills up one of our top dressers with our organic compost treatment and gets right to work. Top dressing is the application of broadcasting a thin layer of soil over an existing lawn. The applications will range from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of compost coverage. Top dressing is one of the most beneficial things you can do for your lawn, as it will help to enhance the soil quality in many different ways. It increases the organic matter of the soil, increases microbial activity, aids in water retention at the roots, and alleviates any compaction in the soil. Turf Care Operations Manager Cole is on hand to talk through the service with John, as they tailor the application to each individual property, discussing which areas of the lawn need more compost. We use a high quality finished compost that is sourced locally and only contains organic ingredients, with no biosolids involved. For areas of your lawn where our machines can't reach, John makes sure to carefully distribute the compost by hand. After servicing the front yard, John moves to the backyard, following the same process as before, ensuring that the compost is applied to the entire lawn. Once applied, the top dressing is worked into the soil by natural rainfall or by multiple irrigation cycles. You may find larger chunks of material after an application, but the material will break down into the soil within 3 to 5 days. Once the service is complete, John safely returns the equipment to his truck and prepares to service another property. If you are interested in receiving a top dressing treatment for your lawn, you can request a free lawn care proposal on our website.